Discover this charming two-story cabin in Tennessee. Set on just over 20 acres of rolling wooded land, this beautiful property offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a peaceful pond with a dock. The perfect place to relax and enjoy the view. The gated entry provides privacy, while the detached 2-car garage with extra carports adds plenty of space for vehicles and equipment. Inside, you'll find an inviting open floor plan, a main-level primary suite, and 2 spacious bedrooms with a full bath upstairs. Highlights include hardwood floors, a cozy sunroom, a large covered front porch, and a convenient mudroom off the kitchen. With a new tin roof, updated HVAC system, and fresh exterior stain, this Tennessee property blends comfort, functionality, and classic country charm.